Hi, dear hearts. Good morning to everyone. Our choice of coffee for today is the Cafe Ole Colombian Coffee by HEB. It is medium roast and 100% Arabica coffee. It is described to be full-bodied with a smooth and balanced flavor. What is your choice of coffee today, dear heart? Do you still like the instant for convenience? Or do you also have a fresh roast coffee maker? Or the pods and the Keurig? I just love the sound that it makes while it makes my coffee. How do you like your coffee? Do you like it plain black? Or with sugar? Or a little honey? Or maybe some cream and cinnamon? Would you like to share your thoughts about your favorite coffee lately? Did you like our video today? Are you a coffee lover too? Like and follow for more videos.